Yeah, my Salmon credit card. Ano ba, last year ko pa yata natanggap yung notification na pwede na ako magkaroon ng Salmon credit card. So I joined the waitlist. It's been a year and akala ko siguro per area lang ano. Pero nakakatuwa kasi guys, nakatanggap ako ng message kay Viber na pwede ko na raw i-claim yung aking Salmon na credit card. And when I clicked that, pinag-update niya ako ng Salmon guys. Well, legit po si Salmon. And by the way guys, this one is tied up with my Salmon credit line na ngayon ay nasa 60,000 pesos na. Kaya pag-usapan natin ulit tong si Salmon Credit, what's special about it, and the things that you need to know about this loan app because interest is a big consideration. Join me in this video. Keep watching. So one more look. One more look, guys. Ayan. And it came in this. Aside from, that supot na nanggaling sa carrier. Mukha siyang secure kasi wala po yung details ko dito sa harap na sa likod. And when you activate it, meron ka pong QR code na isa-scan sa likod lang ng card. So, I got this notification from someone and finalo ko lang po yung prompts na nasa app after I updated the app. And, well, after 24 hours, I was notified na for delivery na yung card ko, and after a few days, tanggap ko na siya. So, what can you expect from this? Well, first of all, guys, si Salmon, which offers other products like product loan and cash loan, is legit. And it's regulated. Alam na natin yan. Pero yung magfo-focus lang tayo dito, guys, because with this, you can get a credit line up to 250,000. And ngayon, kung ma-approve ka, if you apply before January 27, this 2026, no annual fee forever. But right now, yung credit limit ko is 60,000 pesos. Paano ko nagkaroon ng credit limit? 3 years ago, dinownload ko po yung Salmon na app. And then nag-apply ako. I submitted these IDs. I filled out the questionnaire. And in less than 2 minutes, guys, na-approve ako. And I started with 3,000 pesos na credit limit. And after a while, parang every 6 months po yata siya nag-increase because I always pay my dues in full. Then, naging 60,000 siya eventually. So, ito, hindi po siya like your regular credit card. Although, it has a billing cycle. But it's more of like, it's tied up with your credit line. So, I don't think it's... Kasi pag credit card talaga, no, may cap po yan sa interest, like 3% as far as I know with the traditional banks. Pero eto, because it's just like, pang tool na tied up siya with your credit line with someone, which magagamit mo naman even if you don't have the card. So, yung billing cycle ko or yung rate ko is nasa 9%. With your credit line, pwede kang mag-transfer cash advance. Bale, which whatever man yung matatransfer mo, meron siya 99 pesos na cash advance fee, pero hindi po siya ibabawas sa kung ano man yung matatanggap mo. Instead, i-deduct po siya doon sa credit limit mo that's left. Si Salmon Credit, meron po siyang fina-follow na billing cycle. So from this date to this date, kung ano man yung ginamit mo, pag-cut off, yun po yung magre-reflect sa statement mo, which of course, lalabas yung 9%. Sa pagbayad naman, meron siyang minimum and meron po siyang recommended amount and meron din siyang full amount. Now, because 9% per month po siya and it is revolving, kahit na sinasabi niya ganito po yung minimum mo, pero mas maganda po na bayaran yung full amount. Dahil kung ano man yung matitira sa bill mo, maro-roll over po yan or makikarry over po yan on your next bill at meron po siyang additional na 9%. Pero napansin ko ngayon kasi last time nag-cash advance ako ng 15,000 pesos, diretso po sa Maya, walang kaltas, pero syempre kailangan mo yung bayaran on your next due date. Pansin ko, parang yung interest niya ay hindi na yung buong 9% for that cut-off. Parang prorated na siya kasi I noticed na 2 days, 9% times the amount, divided by 30 times 2. Kaya sabi ko, ba't ang baba? Which is good. Now, another thing about this, kasi may mga places po, like mall, wala pang signal, guys. Paano makakabayad gamit yung Salmon Credit, yung pag-scan QR, kung hindi nga, wala kang data, di ba? Or walang signal. Kaya mabuti to kasi para na rin siyang credit card na swipe, gano'n. Meron po siyang sinasabing 0% interest up to 62 days. Legit siya, pero mahal yung 9%. But think of it as convenience, guys. And for as long as hindi ka nagmi-minimum, kasi magkakaroon yung domino effect, and tinatake advantage mo yung 0% interest niya, guys, then it is convenient to use. Kasi mas better po siya kaysa mga Ola. And sa tagal ko nang gumagamit ng salmon guys, hindi siya makulit. Na bago tayo mag-continue, paano ba magkaroon ng salmon credit or salmon na account? Dinownload ko na si salmon app, nag-apply ako, and if you wanna go back to that vlog, because I think parang ganun pa rin yung process ngayon, you can check this one. And ang bilis niya guys, for as long as okay yung submission mo, 2 minutes lang, malalaman mo na kung approve ka o hindi. So, para sa akin, it's convenience. And just to show you an example, hindi ko sinasabi na gawin nyo to. Salmon credit is there for convenience. Hindi po siya like uutangan mo at kakalimutan or puro ka na lang minimum kasi magdo-domino effect yan. And before you know it, 9% it adds up. Namit ko po yung scan QR niya sa pagbayad ng aking bilis. Siyempre, obviously, kailangan mo yung bayaran after on the next payday. But I took advantage of the 0% para bayaran yung bilis account ko. And that's just an example. And it is for convenience sake. Hindi ko po sinasabi na ito yung gawin nyo kasi it doesn't make sense na bayaran yung utang with another utang. But I'm just telling you that it's convenient to have. So, it's very flexible and marami kang option. Now, if you're a good user of this salmon credit or salmon credit line, salmon product, then pwede ka mag-product loan, pero iba rin yung interest doon. And product loan naman, iba rin yung rate. And then pwede ka rin mag-cash loan. And sabi ng salmon agent sa akin, the last time na may tinanong ako, sabi niya, mas mababa daw yung, sometimes mababa daw yung rate and you can pay it in installments na, months. And you can save your salmon credit line for the rainy days or emergency, just in case na kailangan mo siyang gamitin. So yun lang guys, I just want to talk about salmon because it's 2026 and there have been changes compared sa before, yung 3,000 pala yung credit limit ko. And so far, I'm happy with the changes. But ito po yung pinaka last kung kino-consider na gamitin because of the 9% na monthly rate niya na chart. Yun lang. And of course, this video is not sponsored. It is based on my personal experience. And by the way, guys, for this video, I'm using my favorite lip color from L'Oreal. If you like how red it is, meron po tayong product link. Mabibili po sa Shopee or sa Lazada. Depende ko nung nilagay kong link. And that's it for today's video. I hope meron kayong natutunan. And kung meron ako nakalimutan banggitin, just let me know in the comment section. I will see you on my next vlog. Bye-bye!